Bharat is a land of festivals and traditions and cultures, and we can see the unity in diversity. That is because of Indian festivals only. And Indians and Hindus teach entire world the peace, non-violence through festivals. And we India never face inflammation because of the festivals only. India's major festivals, one of the great festival is Sankranti in Telugu states. In some of the states it is called Bihu, and some of the states is called Lohri, and in Telugu state is called Makar Sankranti and Pongal also. And with this Pongal, we celebrate with different kinds of puddings and different kind of Indian tradition attires, and we Hindus celebrate with the religious fervor and gaiety, and we promote culture tradition. And India is one, our festivals will hold unity is diversity, and we teach the world peace and non-violence through our festivals. And in India, this is purely a food festival and harvesting festival. Mainly farmers, they respect their food and culture, and even they worship the cows. And so that we are very grateful to our farmers and through this festival. And the sun god enters the different areas, that is also called Makara Sankranti, and it is celebrated all over India with a great religious fervor and festival. And everybody is happy this Pongal celebration, and boys also they fly kites in across Telugu states. And it is a very happiest festival. In Telugu states we call it as Makara Sankranti. In this festival, these boys will fly the kites, and the girls will in traditional attires they make a rangoli muggulu. And also Basavanna and these they worship the cows, and they Basavannas they bring the cows to the holy cows to every home, and the devotees will offer the some gifts to them. And especially it's depicts our culture, and this is involves all age groups, children and girls and women. And women make different puddings and sweets to celebrate this. Especially this is very great festival.